Today I am going to make bubble coffee because get up to feel like drink bubble coffee. So let's go start it. Come on, let's go do it. To make the bubble coffee, I have French coffee. This French coffee, if you take a look closer, you're gonna see French coffee right here. Okay, this is the best coffee ever. So let's go start it. And I have this machine right here, the filter. Have two pieces up here. Just like that, take it off from that. But this one, putting water going down. So put on top of here. I'm gonna put like 3 spoons, but I love strong. I'm gonna go this 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons. All right, it's already in. I'm gonna put this piece right here on top. Okay. The water is boiling hot right now. I'm gonna keep going, put bit by bit, okay? Little bit by little bit. This fresh coffee you could make anytime you want, just like that. Fresh coffee. Just let them cool down. Take time for a minute, about 5 minutes. Water is going down all the way. The water going down. Take just a little bit of time. The water going down right now. Just add on some more water. That's it. Yeah. Let it go all the way. Okay, the water is all gone. They're all going down. No more water now. So I can take it off. See, just only coffee left. Take it off. And I have condensed milk. This kind of condensed milk is so good. I don't use half and half. I don't use sugar. Just only this to make a good iced milk coffee. Okay, 1 big spoon. If you need some more sweetness, you can add on some more. Look like good for me right now. I'm gonna add a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. It's enough sugar right here. Look at this. Looks so good, right? Look, just coffee, creamy coffee, fresh iced coffee. Just like that. Okay, let them cool down for a minute. Put this water hot. Okay, Okay, this bubble I boiled for 20 minutes. I'm gonna clean right now. Put the bubble in my coffee. Okay, bubble already clean. So I'm gonna go ahead put in here. That's it, a bubble. Okay, bubble ice milk coffee. Okay, bubble already in. If you like a lot of bubble, just put a lot like that. And ice it going down. This coffee cool down now. Just go ahead put in here. Good coffee coming up, guys. Okay. There you have it. Ice milk coffee and big straw. Just like that, guys. Okay, so ice milk coffee ready. There you have it. Ice milk coffee ready. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe so I can make more drink to show you. Alright, thank you. I got to go now. Bye bye. See you later.